Good morning. So here's one of my many Python and VS Code AI projects I have been working on. This one is an AI bot that can see colors and detect objects from an image or a photograph that you upload into it, or by using your laptop's webcam as its eyes. It's pretty simple and basic right now in this stage, but I plan on adding features later like audio voice reply. Please excuse my garage while I demo the actual app running on an old Windows 10 beater laptop. I made this so that it can run either online or offline. I train it with images from Wikimedia Commons. What that means is that you do not have to always have an active internet connection for this application to run. What do you think? Thanks for watching.